Glam Fam, so today I'm going to be showing you how I get my straight hair with the Irresistible Me Diamond Straightener. By the way, hello, my name is Josie. If you are new here, I hope you will stay and hit that subscribe button to become part of the Glam Fam. Now, this is a updated version of their old diamond straightener. This is the black diamond straightener, which fits my style so much better than the red one that you guys seen me use in my last one. This is what the straightener looks like. It is super nice and super easy to hold and super easy to clamp, and it heats up super fast, as you will see in this video. It also leaves your hair super shiny. If you guys would like to try this black diamond professional hair straightener out, I will link it in the description below. I hope you go check out Irresistible Me, and let's get into this tutorial. First, we are going to section. I like to section from right behind the ear, straight up, and clip that out of the way. And then I do the same for the other side. And then this is what we are left with. So now I will take horizontal sections in the back. The first thing you want to do is brush the section that you are straightening out. By the way, guys, don't mind me. I'm getting ready to film a makeup tutorial after this tutorial, so that is why I have nothing on. I also have sprayed a heat protectant onto my hair. And then I'm going to turn this bad boy on so you guys can see it work its magic. I'm going to set it down to 370 because I don't quite need the highest temperature on my fine hair. And you guys see me turn it on. It's already pretty hot, and that was literally seconds ago. It's pretty awesome. So first, we are going to take the section that we are straightening, and I'm just going to run the comb into the section and then follow the comb with the straightener all the way down. Well, now you guys can see that I wasn't kidding about it being hot already. Look at that. I try not to go over each section more than twice, and if I can get away with it, I will literally only go over the section once. And then we are going to move on to the next section. So what I like to do is I push this section back, and then I section out the next section of hair that I want to work with. Again, we are keeping horizontal lines through the back. And I'm just going to clip this section up. And then I have the next section, split it down the middle, and then straighten it. We are going to continue this process all the way around our head, even when we're done with the back. This is exactly what we're going to do with the sides as well. The Irresistible Me Black Diamond Professional Hair Straightener has a ionic generator inside, it has infrared technology, and it has a completely adjustable temperature setting, and the temperature scale is huge. It goes from 190 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is insane. It has a digital LCD display, so you can see what you are using on your hair, the heat, and it lights up when it lets you know that it's on. And the design is super sleek and very ergonomic.
Tell me your favorite song, I'll put it on repeat. I could wait for you forever, through the storms or any weather. Yeah, you're like New York in the sunshine. I'm a fool, yeah, I got my love blind. And ooh, yeah, got my heart out, and it's covered in gold. Like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, 'cause you know it's good. Oh baby, we'll never get old. Down in Cali,
hair is straightened, and I am going to go ahead and put in my Irresistible Me extensions. Ooh, if you guys want a how-to video and how to put in clip-in extensions, like an in-depth one, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you guys want to get your hands on some incredibly soft and super easy to work with extensions, Irresistible Me is probably for you. I'll link them in the description below. Look at that. I'm gonna go do my makeup and I will be right back. All right, makeup done, extensions in, and I will have to give this straightener a solid 10. It does such a great job at straightening your hair. So many things about it that is just so amazing, like the swivel cord, it's 360, the plates are completely flat and they curve out a little bit on the edges, so it makes curling your hair a little bit easier. It has this hot plate on it. It is digital, so you can see what exact temperature you are on for your hair straightening or your curling or your flipping or whatever you're doing with the straightener. It is beautiful because it is matte black and rose gold, and it also shows you how fast it heats up. You see that? And it happens super fast. Again, this is by Irresistible Me, and I think it is a great straightener. If you guys would like to see more tutorials with this straightener, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye! Mwah.